Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today guys, you see what I got. I got a Gyro express meal kit. It's a meal kit from Sam's, and it's a Gyro. It's lamb meat. It has the sauce and everything in it. Only thing it doesn't have in it is the lettuce and the tomatoes and the onions. So I'm gonna have that on the side as you know, as well, to put on my sandwich. But yes, I'm looking forward to this. I got this from Sam's, and I'm having it with some crispy seasoned crinkle fries. Yes. So if you want to see how this is gonna come together, stick around. I really want to know too myself. I'll see you all in a little bit. Bye bye. Okay, my beautiful people, I am back. This is the package. I'm gonna open it up in front of you. This is the Gyro sandwich. It's the beef and lamb. It say beef and lamb. I thought it was just lamb. It say beef and lamb. So this is gonna be my first time trying this Gyro. A lot of people say gyro, gyro. I say gyro. Some people say gyro. You know, but I guess whatever, however you used to pronouncing it. My way I pronounce it is gyro. But let's see what's in this package. I've been wanting me a gyro for some time. What's in this package? Okay. You got some tzatziki sauce. Very good, my favorite. And this is some fire feeder sauce. I gotta try that. And this, of course, is some feta cheese, some feta cheese. And this is fire feta sauce. And here is the bread that goes with it. This is the bread. It's 6 pitos in here. There's 6 in here. And I got 2 bags of this beef and lamb. Okay. Let me put me some olive oil in this pan. And I'm gonna move it over the camera over so you all can see what I'm doing. I'm putting some olive oil in my pan because it say don't cook it no more than 5 minutes on each side. Like, I'm guessing like probably like 5 minutes on each side. I've been looking for some meat that's already cooked, gyro, you know, meat. Ooh, wow. I'm gonna let this brown and I will be back. Okay, my beautiful people, I am back. This is the package. I'm gonna open it up in front of you all. Let you all see what's in the inside of this package. The Gyro sandwich. It's the beef and lamb. It say beef and lamb. I thought it was just lamb. It say beef and lamb. So this is gonna be my first time trying this Gyro. A lot of people say gyro, gyro. I say gyro. Some people say gyro. You know, but I guess whatever, however you used to pronouncing it. My way I pronounce it is gyro. But let's see what's in this package. I've been wanting me a gyro for some time. What's in this package? Okay. You got some tzatziki sauce. Very good, my favorite. And this is some fire feeder sauce. I gotta try that. And this, of course, is some feta cheese, some feta cheese. And this is fire feta sauce. And here is the bread that goes with it. This is the bread. It's 6 pitos in here. There's 6 in here. And I got 2 bags of this beef and lamb. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the pan and let it start cooking. and I will be back. Well, I can start cooking it now. Let me put me some olive oil in this pan. And I'm going to move it over the camera over so you all can see what I'm doing. I'm putting some olive oil in my pan because it say don't cook it no more than 5 minutes on each side. Like, I'm guessing like probably like 5 minutes on each side. I've been looking for some meat that's already cooked, gyro, you know, meat. Ooh, wow. I'm gonna let this brown and I will be back. Okay, I'm browning it. You see it's browning. Put it down just a little. Because it don't need to be cooked. It's already cooked. It just needs to be browned just a little. That's a lot of meat. That's 2 packs. Got 2 packs of it. Because I went to the meat market and I couldn't find any lamb cooked meat. I see a lot of people finding it at meat markets, but I guess I haven't went to the right meat market. But let me put this in the pan and I will be back to show you all how I bring it together. Okay, my beautiful people, I am about to make up my gyro. I'm gonna start off with some good serving of meat. I'm used to my pita bread being a little bigger than this, so work with me. You know, you have to have a lot of meat. Okay, next is the lettuce. Next is the lettuce. I have some onions, some red onions. Red onions. And I have some tomatoes. I sliced them in half. I don't want but 1 tomato on mine. Okay, next is the feta. I don't know why I pronounce words the way I want to pronounce them. I pronounce words the way I want to pronounce it. That is so crazy. And it's not right either. Okay, I'm putting a little feta cheese on here. I'm gonna try their tzatziki sauce. I bought some from Family Food Line, where I like to go and get my tzatziki sauce. Try theirs. See if they hot. It's good. This what makes it. I don't care what nobody say. That's why I bought more, because they didn't put enough in it. Right. Oh, that's so good. Yes, that is good. But this is my own personal plate. I'm eating off of. Okay. Like that. And I have some French fries. Yes, I got me some French fries on the side. Woo, they're hot too. I just took them out the oven. I put mine in the oven. Ooh. They're really hot, guys. Guys are really hot. Ooh. That's hot.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Well, we hungry. Look at this.
Huh?
We hungry. I'm talking about 2 salads.
Oh, here you go.
Alright. What is this plate?
Yeah, sweetie, you feeling better?
A little bit. Now I got a headache.
Oh, okay, baby.
Oh, look at this plate, Patrice.
Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. I hope everybody's doing well. And I hope all is well with everyone. And no matter what you're going through, just pray to God to give you the strength to endure it. Because we all go through something, don't we? We all go through something. You see what I'm eating? Yes. Like I said, I hope everybody's doing well. Doing the best we can, right? And like I say, you just, whatever we all go through, because we all go through something, we have to pray to God to give us strength to endure it. To give us the strength to endure it. It's a lot we're going through. He don't want us to go through it. So we have to ask him for strength to endure it. So I pray you all asking him to give you the strength to endure this. Like I say, you see what I got? I got me some gyros. I say gyro. A lot of people say gyros. I say gyro. That's the way I always say I pronounced it. And the pita bread, I like that pita bread, but it's a little small, but that's, I'm going to fold it up. I'm going to fold this up. But I wanted y'all to see my toppings on the top. Yes, see my toppings. So, ta-da! So let me bless this food right quick and we can get into it. Amen. Yes, we have to bless the food. Look at this. Look at this. Get my thumbnail right quick. Yes. Oh. I wasn't expecting it to do that. Oh, it's so good. It's really good. It's so good, guys. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I want to do my thumbnail. Let me take a bite of this. Oh. This is really good. Delicious. Like I said, I got this from Sam's. It's good, ain't it? Mm-hmm. This is a kit I got from Sam's. It was $12.98. $12.98. And they say for 6 people you can get, I think you can get a little bit more, 6 people in one bag. I guess, let's try that. I guess it all depends on, I'm sorry right now. I guess it all depends on the person, the amount of meat you like. The bread is not that big. These are pickled red peppers. Red onions. I'm sorry. Pickled red onions. Let me show them to you. Oh, that was good. Pickled red onions. They are really good. I like them. I should have got more than I can get more though. Oh, wow. Let me put that on top of my, I got regular onions. Put it on the side. Oh. Yeah. You know me, I love sandwiches, and I've been wanting a gyro since summer, but I couldn't find the meat. I didn't want to make my own, you know, I didn't want to cook it. I just want to buy it with the, you know, the kit like this and pretty much warm it up. It's really good. So y'all go by Sam's and get you one. They're really good. Oh, I forgot to show you my drink, guys. I have pink grapefruit. The sparkling ice pink grapefruit. This one is my favorite. And my second favorite would probably be lemonade. But this is the sparkling ice pink lemonade. If you can see that. It's really good. Really good. Oh, that's good. That's good. That is really good and cool. I think we're about to get a thunderstorm here. I hear it thundering now. I don't know where you all living, but here in South Carolina it's really hot. And we get pop-up storms in the afternoon, those thunderstorms. And that's what we're getting now. I cooked my fries in the oven, which didn't take no more than about 20 minutes. And I cooked this on top of the stove, cut my tomatoes and my onions and my bagged lettuce I bought already shredded. This is really good. I'm always at Sam's. Always at Sam's. And their tzatziki sauce is really good too. It's really good. I bought some more just in case, but I think I like theirs better than the one I bought. I taste them both. To me, the tzatziki sauce would really make it. Oh, when I go out to eat and buy me a gyro, lamb gyro, but this beef and lamb. It make a mess, but it's so good. It's really good. I haven't even tried my fries yet. Eating my fries, have I? I want some ketchup, but I didn't feel like opening the ketchup. I might put some ranch. Oh, that's so good. It's beef and lamb. It's really good. So go get the kit from Sam's. Cause somebody told me to go to my nearest meat market, but I went there and they didn't have any lamb meat. So when I went in Sam's, I saw it in Sam's. I got me some ketchup. Some ketchup on my fries. So when I went in Sam's, I saw it. I said, look at this. My daughter, I think, spotted it before I did. I love gyros. I like chicken, beef, lamb, either one. That's really good. You don't have to have a big meal. It's summer anyway. Who wants to cook in the oven all the time or on top of the stove long periods of time? Not me, so this is a good, easy meal for me today. I love having sandwiches during the summer anyway. I know a lot of schools are open. So, welcome back. Welcome back to school. My school opening too. I just had a meeting. And now we're getting ready, getting prepared for school year. We're getting prepared for school year. So I hope everybody have a good school year, good safe, good school year. They put in a lot of what you walk through, put a lot of security scams in all the schools now because a lot of shooting is going around and everything. So that's okay. That's pretty good. And well, I just hope don't nothing happen. That's all we can do is just hope, ain't it? But yes, at all the school district I work for, we're putting a lot of what you call them? You walk through them?
Metal detectors.
Metal detectors. You know my brain ain't right at times. Metal detectors pick up stuff and everything. So I work at an elementary school, but that doesn't matter. I'm sorry. It really doesn't. I'm gonna take a bite out of this one. I'm getting full. That one sandwich did it for me, I think. And I also taste the meat. Alright, well, let me taste good before I even make my sandwich. I put a little olive oil on my feeder bread and I put it in the oven about a minute. And yeah, I just put a little olive oil on top, one side, and put it in the oven. But go try it. Sam's Club. This is delicious. It really is. Well, you know how I do it. I love to get on here and show you all my plate. What I'm cooking for my family. What I'm cooking for my family. It's good. I hope you all enjoy this video just as much as I have enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, tap that bell notification, and give me the thumbs up when you come in. Once you come in, give me the thumbs up. Yes, and leave me a comment. I love to read comments. And share my videos. Share my videos if you like what you see. I would greatly appreciate it. I love to cook. I love to do reviews like you see what I'm doing right now. Show you something that I picked up in the store and just want to try. I love doing that too. So yes, if you like what you see, share my video. That's the only way I'm gonna get out there. I'm trying to get more familiar with these social media as well to put myself out there. But if you can help me get out there. I thank you all so much for the support. Until my next video, you all take care and be safe. Happy back school year to you all. See y'all in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you all for stopping by, Sam.